Hi everybody, my name is Liz Hampton. I'm here with the K-State Research and Extension, Wyandotte County. I am the SNAP Ed Nutrition Assistant here. Today I'm going to be making a super yummy and nutritious yogurt bowl. You will catch me at some of the local Wyandotte County local farmers markets teaching nutrition education. I'll also be demonstrating some meals. So the one I have for you, again, is a super nutritious yogurt bowl. It is high in vitamin C and fiber, and it's low in saturated fat and sodium. We're gonna go ahead and add our little fruit. I have some vanilla yogurt here. It's by the brand Oikos, and it's very high in protein. I'm going to go ahead and add my apples in. And I'm gonna take my strawberries. I'm gonna add my strawberries in. And then last but not least, I have some bananas. Main thing with the strawberries is that they are currently coming in season end of April, beginning of May. So definitely keep your eye out for some strawberries. I'm gonna stir it all together. And then if you'd like, you can always add some granola or cinnamon on top, as well as some honey if you'd like a little extra sweet or crunch to add into your yogurt bowl. Once it's stirred all together, there you have it. Super yummy, high protein, sweet treat.